This is how simple it is to do gene expression with Mick and Myra. Start by creating your assays. Give your gene a name. Enter your reaction components, along with volumes. Select the tube types for each component. Now edit your profile. Add a hold for RT. Remove steps and adjust the conditions. Set your analysis parameters. Finally, save the assay to a library. Now create your Myra run. Select the assays required from your library. Annotate your samples. Use the autofill to help you out. Set any control. Create your groups. And now allocate them. Now copy and paste to create a second lot of samples to which you link each assay to. Move to the deck layout and set it up the way you want. Add a new plate if required. Allocate the components and mixers to the deck. Remember to select the tube types. Now allocate the templates. Now load the deck. Connect to a Myra and save the run file. Tick off the checklist and start the run. Start the Mick run from the Myra software. Select the Mick. Start the run. When the run is finished, create a new relative quantification analysis. Just select your control and treatments, and your result is complete.